Hello, we're making a quick simple combat tutorial. Just quick simple combat system. I'm making the tutorial. Anyway, okay, what you're gonna need is obviously a player, ground, and enemy. You don't need to have these FSMs here, but you will need a movement FSM. You don't need to do the jump stick, you just need to walk. The reason why this FSM is here in these is because I'm using an old project, or a project from my last tutorial. Anyway, first to do the project, we just have to make an enemy. I already have that, but now that we have that, we're gonna make an attack system. Attack system FSM. Alright. We're gonna go edit. I'm gonna go to make a state can't attack. Okay. I just can't attack. And in this, we need to do a get distance, and the target is going to be the enemy, which you can do this right here. You can do whatever shape or whatever enemy you have, but that's how we're going to do it. And store results, distance from enemy. We're going to use this state right here to check the distance of the player to enemy, because we're going to make it so you have to be in a certain range to be able to attack the enemy, because you don't want to be all the way over here and still be able to attack or do damage to the enemy. Right, you're going to have to get a float compare action, and we're going to go on to the float one and click this. And then you have to select distance from enemy and leave everything else. And now, actually no, I'm going to change this. Sorry. I'm going to put this as 1.5. And if it's less than 1.5, the distance, it's going to go to the new event, which is going to be can attack. I'm just going to name the state can attack. And now that we have this set up, we're going to need to copy both of these real quick. Control C and Control V. And we're going to have to change this from less than to greater than. You have to be greater than, and then can't attack anymore. This is just so if you get to the attack state, if you get to the attack state, or when you get there, if you leave the range and how close you have to be to attack, it's just going to go back to here, so you can't attack anymore. Because if you didn't do this, it would be a problem where you can go close to them and then go all the way over here, and you're going to be able to attack now. Anyway, we're now going to have to do mouse button down. And we're going to put this at the very bottom. Also, by the way, you have to put on every frame on both of these for it to work correctly. We're going to go get mouse button down, left, and it's an event attacked. And we're just going to name the state attacked. Okay, good. Put this right up here. Yeah. And now we're going to have to add this. We're going to have to add a int compare right here. And you're going to have to click this and make a new variable. I'm going to name this enemy help. Okay, and now we're going to have to do it so if this is equal to 0, the enemy health, which I'm just going to set the enemy health to, I don't know, 3. Sure, you can do whatever you want it to. This is just a simple basic tutorial so you can understand the fundamentals of making a combat system, and just the basics. Alright, we're going to go to equal to, gonna do, if it's equal to 0, we're gonna do enemy is dead. Just turn that on, and if it's less than, we're going to do the same thing. It should be less than, because well, it's not really less than. We're gonna put every frame, and if it's greater than, we're gonna go to wait to attack again. Okay, now I'm gonna go first make the wait to attack again state, which I'm actually gonna name something different, which is waiting. This is so like I said, this is so you can't just spam the attack button, you have to wait a second. This doesn't really matter for our game because it's not like the enemy can even attack us, but for your game, I'm gonna assume the enemy is able to attack you, and you're just trying to make it so the player can fight back. Anyway, we're gonna go to wait. Make sure it's wait, not wait any key, or just random wait. sorry. I need water. And we're gonna put the time at 1.5 seconds for now. And finished event is can attack again. Alright. So it's gonna go back to here. Now, the enemy dead. We're gonna get that and drag it along to enemy dead state, so it kills the enemy. For now, we're just gonna make it so the enemy just disappears by using a destroy object. If you want to add visual effects, you can like make a state, add some visual effects or something, and then make it activate visual effects, and then do next frame event. You gotta put it at the very bottom, so that doesn't go first and doesn't go before the visual effects, and it's gonna make it so the visual effects run, and then it's gonna go and destroy the enemy object, or however you want to do it. Anyway, we're gonna go to enemy. It's gonna destroy the enemy. It doesn't have any children, so we're just gonna leave that there and there. This is simple as it gets. And now we're gonna click play. I just want to let you know, since this was an old project, you're gonna hear footstep sounds. You can hear it anyway. I'm gonna go real up close to them and click the left mouse button. Can attack and attacked. Quick second. You can see that there, down here. And when you attack a third time, second time, whatever. One more. Well, it seems to not be working. And I just realized a problem. Okay, get off real quick. Get out of the play. I forgot to add the int subtract, which is going to subtract 1 from the enemy health. You don't have to do any frame or whatever, any of that, just leave it like this. And now it should work. I'm pretty sure it should work. Actually, no, I'm sure it should work. I'm sorry. I need a cough drop. Okay, waiting, and back. As you see, it is working, but this is down here. And last one. What is the problem now? That is an int. I am dumb. You have to put the int subtract first. I'm gonna just do it in the play thing. Let's see if it works. If you want it to like permanently work. Yeah, sorry. I forgot to put the int subtract on the top. You have to make sure it's on the top. As you see right now, it's at the bottom because I did that while it was in play mode. So just put it up there and it should permanently work now. That. And with that, that's how you make a simple combat system. I'm just gonna quickly show you to do something else because you saw the cursor. You could still see the cursor. I don't think anyone wants the cursor to still be there, so just do mouse disappear. And just do this. Set mouse cursor. It didn't even load. Wait. Set mouse cursor. I went on the wrong one again. Okay, fine. They should have worked. There were so many problems with me selecting. Anyway, cursor text. This is so you can set the cursor text or whatever. I'm just gonna click hide cursor and lock cursor in every frame. So it locks the cursor at the middle of the screen. I'll just show you. Actually, no, I don't think I have to show you. It's pretty basic and understandable. Anyway, as you see, it disappeared and it's locked in the rows. No matter what I do, it will not. I'm gonna go below those. 1, 2, 3. Yay. Well, that's all for now, and goodbye, have a nice day.